What to review today? What to review? Well, oh, this one. Okay, this is the Polo, and it's Volkswagen from 2011 year, and it has 1.6 TDI engine with 90 horsepower stock, and it can be remapped. Of course, this engine can reach easily 200 horsepower with some modifications, little modifications. It has a nice alloy wheels, and it's this white color. It looks pretty new, and it has a DSG gearbox. I'll show it from. It's a front wheel drive car, as you know, of course. It has winter tires currently, and looks pretty clean. This is the key. It has opening of the trunk. Do you like this, guys? Well, it's full of things. Guys, let's go a little bit of skating. Do you want? Okay, obviously the trunk size is not enough, but it's still, there is still some place. Of course, there is some head. I look nice, guys, right? It's not my head, so let's leave it. We can clean the interior with that one too. Okay, let's close it now. But I like this opening. It's cool, really cool. Okay, TDI here. Polo, like a pizza. Okay, let we see. First, let we start with the rear seats. Of course, it's a lower level entry car. Still hard plastics here. Let's see the dashboard, guys. Nice wheel, chrome rings in the dashboard, and DSG gearbox. That's very cool stuff here. Enough space for the head, so no problem if you are taller. But these headrests actually are on my back. Trying to lift them up, yeah, all the way up, and it's okay like this. Yeah, it's pretty comfortable, and I'm amazed how much actually space I have above my head. It's comfortable. This saloon is nice. We don't have, what do we have? Armrest here? No, we don't have, but the seats are foldable. That can be folded so that you can have some additional boot space. Leg room is not much, as you see, but for me it's pretty much enough. You can see here that there won't be enough if I sit there. Of course, a small city car after all. We have this one too, which is foldable and of course broken. I should close it. Okay, here nothing. And let's go in front now, guys. Oh, we have a whiting here. Yeah, let's go in front. We can wash our hands with this, guys. Now it's for the windows. Some touch navi here and media, and of course we have some auto, some trip computer we have. Let's start it up. It's not very fuel efficient if you drive it not so carefully, of course. This is the media. Welcome Volkswagen, welcome. And we have touchscreen, which is really cool for the age of the car. You have media, CD, Bluetooth, a lot of different options, radio, phone. We can connect our phone. Okay, we also have some setup, traffic information display, and so on. Okay, I'll turn this off. The wheel is nice, it's multi-wheel. We can connect to a phone, we can talk directly, we can change the volume and the station or the truck. Interesting thing is this one here, guys. Look at it. Where is it positioned? Really a strange place to be. And here unlock walk. Side mirrors are small really, but they look nice after all. Position here of the lights, and we choose how many lights we want on the dash. What do we have on the trip computer? Consumption left, how many kilometers so far, and average at current temperature, and how much we're burning at one place for 1 hour. It will be 0.45 liter, and that's my average consumption so far. We have fuel gauge here, and the whole clock, and the position of the gearbox. The gearbox is really interesting, guys. I am on P, it says DSG. Oh, we have some glass holders here, cup holder, sorry, and we have here R, N, D and S. And if you look at on most BMWs and other Audi cars, plus and minus are on S position, but here we have S position, sport, direct, and here is it plus and minus for the gears. So this is how we use the shifter, standard, nice working handbrake, armrest as I told you already. The seats are very comfortable because they are Recaro and they keep me inside, very good, they are well made, so no worries here. We can control the position of the steering wheel, upside, and how much we want it, how deep we want it to. I'll withdraw it maximum to me. We have traction control of passenger bags and some heating here, standard equipment. Here we have some songs and some stuff of the owner and some interesting things, guys. I'll show you. Guys, I found this handle, and let we see now where is this handle from. Yeah, it fits here, guys, you can see, and we do like this, and we opened the hood. Let's see what we have inside the hood. We have 1.6 TDI here, working smoothly, no any strange noises, working calmly and nice. Okay, that's the engine. And guys, what is left from this review video? Sound, of course. Let me check the sound of this diesel. Actually, guys, these newer cars, they make them, you cannot actually rev it too much on one place. Look at this, it's like I have a launch control, guys, full throttle and I have launch control. No, and on N neutral is the same, so I cannot show you the red line. Okay, there is no point after all in doing this. Let's remove again this interesting thing, guys. I can take it in my pocket and open all other hoods. Okay, let's put it back here in order not to lose it. I guess the owner will need it from time to time. He has to open after all this. Okay, guys, I managed to close it. I think that's pretty much of all of this car. It's a little sweet car which can be tuned and be really a good city and why not extra urban car. Watch our other videos, guys, subscribe to our channel and put that bell on so that you receive notification for our next videos. I'm going for POV city and extra city driving, so guys, don't forget to watch our next video. See you, bye bye, let's go driving.